An athlete cannot run with money in his pocket. He must run with hope in his heart and dreams in his head. Respected Principal Sir, distinguished Chief Guest, Dr. Narendra Gangwar, learned colleagues, and dear students. At the very outset, I would like to wish you a very happy and cheerful National Sports Day, which we celebrate on 29th of August on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Major Dhyanchand, a legendary player in the world of sports. He was the greatest hockey player in the history of sports. Today, on such a great occasion, I, Dhanraj Bhalerao, PGT English, on behalf of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sarni, wish to share my views on the topic health and fitness. Both the words health and fitness are correlated to each other. Many times we tell or use these words whenever we say these phrases like health is wealth and fitness is the key. What does the word health really mean? It implies the idea of being well. A healthy and fit person is the one when he or she can function well physically as well as mentally. Proper health and fitness do not depend on our own, but also on our physical environment and the quality of food intake. Health and fitness is the most important aspect of our life. There is nothing more important than health for any human being. When we are healthy and fit, we are able to enjoy our life well. We can talk to our near and dear one. We can laugh, smile, travel, enjoy food, and sleep well. But when our health and fitness is not up to the mark, we are unable to do anything properly and stay behind. We cannot enjoy eating, watching sports, or movies. Our mood always remains negative and we are unable to talk nicely with our near and dear or even sleep properly. Our health and fitness are more valued than our wealth. In fact, our elders were always been focused on the health and fitness part. They treasure it like wealth. To maintain good health and fitness at its best all the time, we need to take care of hygiene and sanitation around us. We must eat a healthy and complete diet. We must eat vegetables, milk, egg, etc. Everyone should make a diet chart and ensure that we take a sufficient amount of carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, and vitamins. Apart from being eating, we must maintain cleanliness in our room, house, and nearby surroundings. As we know that health and fitness play an important role in our overall well-being, so we should try for a good balance between mind, body, and soul. I have some suggested activities to maintain proper health and fitness. One can start playing games and sports. An active body can metabolize well and so keep us good in shape. Yoga has got a lot of health and fitness benefits such as flexibility, burn calories, increase blood flow, boost immunity, proper food selection leads to eating healthy. The intake of vitamins found in vegetables and fruits, proteins found in whole grains and lean meat keeps us healthy. Eat foods that have less oil are good to control cholesterol levels. Avoid smoking and drinking as they affect our sleep, which is important for the body to remain healthy and in good shape. Exercising improves the general health of the body. One must take at least 30 minutes a day to do some exercises or walk. At the conclusion, I would like to quote the words of Dalai Lama that happiness is the highest form of health. Happiness will come only when we will be healthy and fit. But today we live in a world where we value things more than people, work more than family, food more than health, and status more than life. We rush after money and social status. We forget about our health. What's the value of life? We don't live healthy and fit. This absurd attitude has ruined our lives and it will continue to do so unless we open our eyes and see the reality. Hence, at the end, I would like to appeal to everyone to please give 1.5 hours for your exercise and stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much for being with us.